this is no feasible reason, hence there is no solution type of problem. So first constraint we will take x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1. So put x1 plus x2 is equal to 0, a1. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 1. So this is first line we will get. Second constraint, minus 2x1 is there plus x2 is there is equal to 2. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 2 we will get. Put x2 equal to 0, we will get x1 is equal to minus 1. So only two constraints are there. So now the maximum on x1 side is 1, x2 side is 2. So we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Now first equation is 1 and 1. This is 1, this is 1. We'll draw a line here. Because of less than equal to sign, near to the origin. Second line, this first constraint. Second constraint is x2 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 2. x1 is equal to minus 1. So we'll get minus 1 here. So we'll draw a line. So this is greater than equal to sign away from the origin. So because of that we will not get any region here. Because of that we will not no feasible region. So because of that we are calling it as there is no solution. After drawing this graph we have to write there is no solution. Because we will not get any region. No region we will get. You have to write in the graph no region and you have to write at the answer as no solution. Next we'll go for next type of problem. Constraints or equation, there is no greater than equal to or less than equal to sign. First constraint will take 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 15. Next, put x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3. Put x2 equal to 0, you will get x1 equal to 5. This is first line. Second constraint, 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to 2. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 2. So x2 equal to 5. So this is second line. So maximum is 5 on both sides. So we'll take 5 on either side. Now x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 3. We'll draw a line here. You cannot draw any arrow mark here because it is an equation. It is given as equation. Next, x1 is equal to 2, x2 as 5. Draw one more line. Right, but you cannot draw any arrow marks. This is how you solve the problem, but you will not have any region. You cannot get any region. Without region, you cannot solve the problem. So because of that, you have to write answer as constraints are equations. If constraints are equation, you will not get any answer. Right. If constraints are equation, you will not get any answer. For this type of problem, you can also solve a Z equation. That is nothing but you can solve these as linear equations. So we'll explain here. 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 15. 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. Before that, you have to write here constants or equation you have written no region. Because of that, you have to solve it as linear equations. So one side you have to make multiplying, other side 3. This side you have to multiply by 3, this side you have to multiply by 5. 15x1 plus 25x2 plus equal to 75. 15x1 6x2 is equal to 30. Now minus plus is there, minus plus is there, minus. These two will go out. 25 minus 6 is 19x2. 75 minus 30 is 45. Right. Now we will get x2 is equal to 2.36. Right. Next we have to calculate x1. You can put any problem, any of the equation, you will get x1 value. 15x1 plus 6x2 is equal to 30. So we will get 15x1 plus 6 into 2.36 is equal to 30. So we will get x1 is equal to 1.05. Now you can put these values in max of z. Max of z is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. That is nothing but 5 into x1 is 1.05 plus 3 into 2.36. So max of z is equal to, we will get as 12.33. You can solve this type of problem in this way. Next type, unbounded solution. We'll take first constraint, 2x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. Put x1 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to minus 2. Right, x2 is equal to minus 2. Put x2 is equal to 0, we'll get x1 is equal to 2. Next constraint, x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 8. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 4. Put x2 is equal to 0, x1 equal to 8. This is one line. Two lines we will get. Maximum is 8, so we will take 8. This side is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First equation is 2 and 2. So x1 is 2, x1 is equal to 2. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 will get minus 2. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 1 we will get, not 2. So x1 equal to 1, x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to minus 2. Right, we have to draw a line. Right, it is a greater than or equal to sign. You have to draw away from the origin line. Next, another one is x2 equal to 4, x1 equal to 8. You have to draw a line. Greater than or equal to sign away from the origin. Now, where you will get the feasible region, where to find. So this is the region, both are intersecting, right? Here away from the origin 1 is there, here away from the origin 1 is there, here both are away from the origin, so there is no regions other than this. You will get this region. This is called as bonding, unbonding. If unbounded region is there, we will not get any corners and we will not get z value. Because of that, if you are getting unbounded region, there is no end for this region. That is called as unbounded region. So this type of problem may ask. Next one is inconsistent system of constraints. We'll take first constraint. x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 is equal to 1. First line. Second constraint, 2x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 4. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to 2. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 is equal to 2. So 2 line we got. So maximum is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll take 4, 5. Right. Maximum we have 2. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. We'll draw a line. It is a less than equal to sign near to the origin. Next one is 2 and 2. 2, 2. So one more line we'll draw here. So this is also having greater than equal to sign away from the origin. So this type of problem is called as inconsistent type of problem. The solution is inconsistent. There is no solution for this type of problem. Right. There is no bond here. Inconsistent system of constraint. Constraints are inconsistent. You cannot get. So this also you can take it as region, and this also you can take it as region. So because of that, we will call it as inconsistent. Inconsistent system of problems. You have to write the answer as inconsistent. Next one, no solution type of problem. Once again, we'll take first constraint. x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So when we put x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0. When you put x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0. First line 0. Then second is minus 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. Put x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 3. Put x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to minus 1. This is one line. So one line is here only. Another line is x1 is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. x2 equal to 3. So you can draw a line here. Right, this is greater than or equal to sign away from the origin. But there is no answer for this type of problem. Hence you have to write no solution for the problem. So these are different types of problems. It may be unbounded, inconsistent, no solution, infeasible region, like that. There are many other problems you will get in this type of graphical method.